What if we told you that the future of manufacturing is already here, powered by AI and robotics? Does it sound like science fiction? Well, it's not. It's the reality of today's industrial landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and robotics are not just buzzwords. They are no longer concepts of the future. They are practical tools of the present, already in use across a multitude of industries. From automobile assembly lines and pharmaceutical laboratories to intricate electronics manufacturing, these technologies are revolutionizing production processes, making them faster, more precise, and safer. As we move forward, the prevalence of AI and robotics in manufacturing is set to increase exponentially. This isn't just a prediction, it's an inevitability. The tech-driven future we once imagined is already here, and it's only going to get more advanced. The dawn of a new era in manufacturing, the Industrial Revolution 4.0, is upon us, and it's driven by AI and robotics. The Industrial Revolution 4.0, also known as Industry 4.0, is the latest phase in the digitization of the manufacturing sector. This isn't just a buzzword or a fleeting trend. It's a profound shift that's reshaping the way we manufacture goods, and it's happening right now. At the heart of this revolution is the integration of cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, and cloud computing. But what does this mean? Well, imagine a factory where machines communicate with each other, where every process is monitored in real time, and where decisions are made at lightning speed. This is the promise of Industry 4.0. A world where manufacturing is smarter, more efficient, and incredibly responsive. But the real game changers in this new era are artificial intelligence and robotics. These technologies are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They're here, and they're revolutionizing the manufacturing floor. AI-powered robots can perform complex tasks with unprecedented precision and speed, reducing errors and increasing productivity.